All right, guys, we just had a tour of the 1886 Opera House here. Husband and wife just happened to be in there working on it and saw us out here and said, hey, you want a tour? We said, heck yeah. And where are we? We're in Columbus, Texas. So this house here was a big old cattle baron here in Texas. And he had several houses, and that's the one he built here in Columbus. And then he built this. He built the Opera House. And he used to be able to sit out on his porch right there and look through the windows. Back in the old days before AC, they had the windows all open. And he could sit out here and watch the events inside from his porch. That's pretty awesome. This is the courthouse. And I wanted to get a little closer over here out of the trees because there is a Seth Thomas clock right there. And I believe there's 4 of them. There's a Seth Thomas clock in all 4 sides of this dome. The clock is working. Nope, that clock is not working because it's 3 o'clock. But anyway, there's a Seth Thomas clock, 4 of them up there. That clock's not working, Dan. So this one says 1909 Colorado County Courthouse, copper top dome. And the reason we wandered over this direction was this thing right here in front of me. And we saw this from the other side of town. It's a tiny little town. And what do you think that is when you look at that? What the heck is this? That's what we said. So we came over here and we couldn't really find a sign. There's no signs that tell you what that is. So I'm gonna just wait a couple seconds before I tell you what it is, and you start thinking, what do you think it is? But I want to show you the front first. And it was always here. And the courthouse was always there. Back the camera out. So try to not get run over out here. Anyway, so we got this domed entrance, these stained glass windows, and that thing up top. Anyway, I'll tell you now. This used to be the old water reservoir in the early days. There's a concrete, crazy thick concrete tank inside, I guess you want to call it. And then after a while, they actually built a giant metal thing up on top. You've seen those everywhere. So they dynamited this thing, trying to destroy it, and they got the top off, but they couldn't.
Block gate behind this.
Oh, and they could not destroy this part, so they decided to just keep it. So this has been used for a few different things now, but this was the old water reservoir that was specifically to pump water to the fire station. That's it. Not the town. I don't know, and I said that wrong. This wasn't to pump water to the fire station. They would bring their little wagons and horse-drawn carriages of fire truck stuff over here to fill up their water. So that water was for the fire department. And then they tried to destroy it, couldn't do it, and decided to just keep it as is. Look at this town, guys. You talk about an old town. These aren't fake facades. This is the real deal. Yep, you can see 2 of the Seth Thomases here. One you've already seen. They both appear to be stuck at the same time. So I would assume they're running off the same mechanism. One mechanism for all 4 faces is what I'm going to assume. And some reason they're not running. When we were at the LaGrange courthouse, their clocks were working. Anyway, this was a great little old town. They really did a good job preserving it. And once again, we're in Columbus, Texas, in Colorado County.
It's 28 oldest existing courthouses in Texas, 254 counties.
Huh, how about that? So we were just down here to see some of these antique shops. We're going to go in 1 or 2 more, and then we're going to head out. Check it out. Let me see if you can see this sign or not. That's right, 67 degrees, baby. 67 degrees today. Beautiful day in Texas. Beautiful day. Wow, look at this. There's a bank on the corner. There's a bank on this corner. And there's a bank right there. 3 big giant banks in one tiny little desolate town.
Must have some
Somebody's got money stuffed everywhere, I guess.
Yep.
Oh, another bank. The First Bank State Bank building. So that's a bank, that's a bank, that's a bank, and that's a bank. Wonder how many more there are.
It doesn't look like enough people here even
I know.
to support a bank, yeah.
This whole town is a bank. Oh, okay, that's a bank. Nope. No, they have drive-thrus on both sides. It's two different banks.
Two different banks.
That's it's insane. Well, guys, if you want to start a bank, I'd come here. Apparently, you just throw a bank up willy-nilly. Anyway, we're going to cross the street here. And let's try not to die doing it. You know, with all this traffic down through here, jeez.
A lot of traffic.
Oh my God, this place is just so busy on a Saturday afternoon at 3:29. What is that, 4 cars now?
Yeah.
Maybe 5?
Oh, there's an ice cream shop.
Yep, and it's crowded too.
Yeah.
Are we going for ice cream?
No,
Why not?
because I can't have
You can get
it. A soft serve.
soft serve. Ice cream.
Ice
That's where everybody in town is. They're up there at that ice cream store.
Yeah.
All right, just wanted to show you that.